So what we love about this, we use this mantra, carry small, use big. So this is a 12.7-inch laptop, so effectively a 13-inch laptop. But with the flick of a switch, we actually unroll this up to a 15.3-inch laptop. And so the exciting thing is you get an immediate increase in real estate in that portrait mode, so much more productive from a document editing, creating. You can put screen over screen, so if you have video call, content below that. Really just gives you an extension of this laptop in a small form factor. Day by day, again, you just get that immediate extension of the screen, and so more content to review, to edit, to really customize to your desire. And then with a flip of a switch, it will come back down. Yes, that way we've got sure. This is still very much a proof of concept. I mean, a lot to do underneath the covers. You know, we'll continue to work on miniaturizing the mechanism to roll the screen out and underneath, because ultimately we want to deliver a very nice thin and light laptop that has that capability built in.
Double press, it goes from a 5-inch screen to a 6.5-inch screen. And so it's amazing for multiple reasons. One, I want that compact device so I can fit in any pocket, but sometimes I want a larger display so I can, really engage into my Netflix or YouTube and any sorts. But we made some adjustments. So as you watch the wallpaper from going small to large, it's contextually aware of its range of size. And so when it goes down, you'll see that the display also gets smaller. It's just a new form factor. We know that consumers like different options. They do want an option where it's smaller yet bigger, and you get that with a foldable, and now you're also able to get it in a rollable device as well.